Hello everybody, so how are you all? I hope you all are fine there and doing well at your home. So today we meet with a new lecture video, and in the previous lectures we have discussed all about the number systems, uh, even number, odd number, co-prime number, composite number and many more, and we have also learned about zero, the most common, not most important thing for us and as well as for the world. So today we will continue our number system with knowing rational and irrational number, which are the most important part of this chapter. So continue our today's lectures. Before that, I welcome you all again in your on YouTube channel, Indian History channel. So continue with rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers, numbers that can be written in the form of p by q. Let me write here: numbers that can be written in the form of p by q and q unequal to 0. These are called rational numbers. P by q means we can write the numbers which can be written in the form of fraction, and where the denominator part is unequal to 0. Let me show you some examples. For example, if you write 4 upon 39, so we have written this in the form of p upon q, or we can see in the form of fraction, but q, which is denominator, is unequal to 0, means the denominator must not be 0. If in denominator 0 will come, then it will not be rational number, as we write here 36 upon 0. It is not a rational number. But one most important thing, that 0 is as a denominator, it will not be rational number, we know that. But when 0 is as a numerator, then it is a rational number, and it must be rational number, because when 0 is at below, means at denominator, then it holds no value, and when 0 is at the top, it holds value. So it is a rational number and it is not a rational number. So, and most important thing about rational number is that rational numbers can be written in the or expressed in the form of terminating numbers. Terminating means when we will divide any number. For example, you can take 8 upon 2. When we will divide 8 by 2, let's see here, 2 8, 2 4 ja 8. This, when we any number has ending point, terminating means ending point. Let me write here for you terminating numbers here. Terminating means rational number can be expressed in the form of terminating, means number that has a end point. As we here taken rational number, it is a rational number, and when we divide it we got 4 and remainder is 0, means it is a terminating. Any number that has a remainder 0 is called terminating, and any number that had no 0. When we talk about rational numbers, any number that has no 0 means remainder is not coming 0, it is going on, then it is non-terminating. Non-terminating means ending, no ending point. Terminating means end point, and when we will add here non-terminating, then it will be not ending. Non-terminating, no end, it will be continue, but it is repeating means it has a repeating point, so it will be rational number. Terminating means have an end point, as we taken here. Non-terminating means no end point. For example, we can take the most common example, that is 22 upon 7. When we will go on dividing 22 upon 7, then it has no end point and it is repeating and repeating. So I hope you have understand all about rational numbers. Now come to the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, 1 minute. numbers that can, here we see that numbers that can be written in the form of p upon q and equal to 0 rational numbers, and numbers that cannot be, numbers that can't be written in the form of written, and is you take from this p upon q, numbers that cannot be written in the form of p upon q are irrational numbers. Okay, for here we have taken 22 upon 7, and we assume that pi is equal to 22 upon 7, but we know that 22 upon 7 is not an exact value of pi. So 22 upon 7 is a rational number, but pi is a irrational number because it has not the exact value. 22 upon 7 is not the exact value that is assumed for our calculation. We are assuming it, but exact value of pi is not calculated till now. So it is a irrational number and it is a rational number. Irrational number that cannot be written in the form of p upon q. And one important thing is that when we write like this, if anyone write 2 and ask is it a rational number or irrational number, then what you will say? Yes, it is a rational number, because when we take factorize of that, or when we will divide this, or it has a, or it is a perfect square, you must be thinking that it is a rational number. ओके मैंने आपको उलझा दिया और आप उलझ गए. दिस इज एन irrational number because when any number is written in root, okay, if it number is a perfect square or it has a perfect square, then it will be rational number, and if it not has a perfect square, it will be irrational number. For example, when we will take perfect square of this, it will be 2, then it is a rational number, because we know that from class 2nd, 4th, 3rd only know that if any number has a numerator, then we can consume one as a numerator, and this is a rational number. And it is not a rational number because it has not a perfect square. And many more we can take 5. Now you have to tell this whether it is a rational or irrational in the comment section. Okay, now we will continue with whether the irrational number is terminating or non-terminating. Okay, rational number, we see that it is terminating and it has a end point, but non-irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-repeating means irrational number has no end point, it never ends, इसका कहीं पर समाप्त नहीं है, no end point, irrational numbers. And no repeating, it never repeats, it go on and it go on. Okay, no repeat, this we are. Okay, now one you can say as a trick or miracle, we can say that for telling that whether it is a terminating or not, you can see that number and you can say that whether it is terminating or not. Let me tell you that what is that trick. I hope you have written this. I am erasing here. Okay, here only this much we will see that if any rational number or any number written in the form of p by q, let me write here, what may I write, 2 upon 25. Okay, any rational number or a number that is in the form of p upon q, when we take the factor of its denominator, I hope you understand what the factor means LCM. When we will take the factor of 25, 5 5 25 and 5 5 1, and here what comes 5. It means it is a terminating. Now you will ask how I can say that. Means any number that is in the form of fraction and its denominator has only two factors. Two factors means not these two factors. How many factors we go on, that not means. Two factor means it has a factor of only 2 and 5. Means here only come 2 or 5 or both. Then only it will but be terminating. One more example I will tell you for your better understanding. Here you can take 65 and this 65 is a denominator. Okay, when we will take the LCM of this, here you take now 5 1 5, 5 3 15. Okay, 13 1 13. But whether it is a terminating or non-terminating, it is not terminating because it has not only 5 as a factor, it has 13 also. Okay, when any number or denominator has a what you say factor as a 5 or 2 only, then only it will be terminating. You can take factor of that and you can say that whether it is terminating or non-terminating. For here you now write in place of 65 you write 50 and take upon 7 50. When you will take off 50, it will 5 10 is 50, 5 2 is 10 and 2. Now tell whether it is terminating or non-terminating. It is a terminating because what I say, when any number has a factor as a 2 or 5 or both, then it will be terminating. So here we have factor 5 5 and 2. It is a terminating. It does not matter whether it is 5 is coming 50 times or 2 is coming 90 times, it does not matter. Means coming of 5 and 2 is terminating. If any else number is coming without 5 or 2, then it will not be terminating. So I hope you learned what are rational numbers and irrational numbers. And one thing I want to tell you that these both numbers together, rational and irrational, are called real numbers. So we will continue our these real numbers and go through the exercise in the next lecture. So thank you a lot, keep learning.